Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fusion headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. It's also wise to check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any specific safety precautions for your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 bolts on top of the assembly. Use your ratchet to remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It's usually held in place by a few clips, so a firm but careful pull is needed. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the assembly by pressing the tab and pulling it free. With the headlight assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing and pull it out. Then, carefully remove the old bulb from the socket. When inserting the new bulb, be sure not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and push it firmly into the socket until it clicks into place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb and assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure all the clips engage correctly. Reinsert and tighten the 2 bolts you removed earlier to secure it. Test your new headlight to ensure it's working properly before driving. For more great deals, and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.